everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to trade meme coins on Dexscreener. So here's the step number one is to set up your wallet. So download and install the MetaMask or Trust wallet and then fund your wallet with ETH or BNB or the cryptocurrency used for trading on your preferred blockchain, like for example Ethereum or Block Smart Chain. Looks something like this. It must have a balance like these. Now for step number two is to open Dexscreener. Visit Dexscreener on your browser or mobile or desktop. So this is how the Dexscreener looks like. And for step number three is to find the meme coin. Now use the search bar to enter the coin's name or contract address so you can get this from official sources to avoid scams. And then click on the coin pair like this or this and just have to search it here. Now for step number four is to connect your wallet. Tap connect wallet at the top of the screen and then choose your wallet, like for example MetaMask, or you can also use Trust wallet like this one, and then approve the connection request. You can tap on these and you can choose the wallet that you want to connect with. And lastly is to trade the coin. Click on trade and Dexscreener will redirect you to the decentralized exchange, like for example Uniswap or PancakeSwap. This is how it looks like. This is Uniswap as it looks in here. And then enter the amount of crypto that you want to swap for the meme coin. And then set the sleep page tolerance to 5 to 10%. This is common for meme coins. And then confirm the swap and approve the transaction in your wallet. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!